Hello everyone. Welcome back to Kids on our channel. Today, we are bringing you a delicious and nutritious recipe, the Designer Wellness Protein Smoothie, packed with real fruit goodness and all the protein you need to kickstart your day. Let's dive right into it. First up, grab your blender and let's start with our base ingredients. We'll toss in 1 ripe banana for creaminess and natural sweetness. Next, we'll add a handful of juicy strawberries. Not only do they add a burst of flavor, but they are also packed with antioxidants and vitamin C. Now, let's add some blueberries for that extra pop of color and a boost of antioxidants. These little powerhouses are fantastic for your immune system. Time to sneak in some greens. We'll toss in a handful of fresh spinach leaves. Don't worry, you won't even taste them, but you'll get all the fantastic benefits of leafy greens. To bring it all together, we'll add some almond milk for creaminess. Feel free to use any milk of your choice. Almond, soy, or coconut milk works great, and for that extra protein punch and creaminess, a scoop of Greek yogurt goes in. It's also rich in probiotics, perfect for gut health. Last but not least, our star ingredient, protein powder. Choose your favorite flavor or go for unflavored. It's essential to support muscle recovery and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Now, let's blend it all up until smooth and creamy, and there you have it, our Designer Wellness Protein Smoothie, loaded with real fruit goodness and packed with protein to fuel your day. Cheers to your health. So refreshing. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Until next time, stay healthy and happy blending.